show you guys my squishies. So, I'm going to show you guys my Pop-Tart first. So, my first Pop-Tart is this rainbow Pop-Tart. Next is this yellow Pop-Tart, I think. This pink Pop-Tart. Another pink one with blueberry stuff on top of it. This other pink one. This, I think, like ocean theme one. Like this is the sand and this is the water. A rainbow one, which I did wrong. It's not supposed to be like everywhere. It's supposed to be only at the top, but I did it wrong. This other pink one. I do a lot of pink one. This chocolate one. Now we're gonna move on with the circle stuff. So the first one is this cake, or I think a cupcake. I don't know. I think this is like a macaron or something. I actually have a lot of macarons, like a yellow macaron. This macaron, which I really like, is have blue icing inside it. This is like another cupcake, I think. This other macaron. This cupcake. I forgot to put the cherry on top of it, so yeah. This other macaron. And this one was my first squishy I ever made. I should have showed you guys in the beginning of the video, but this is circle, so yeah. This is like a jelly, I think. The next one is donuts. Oh, another cake from the circle. I didn't know that. So I'm going to show you guys the donuts that another macaron. So the first donut I ever did was this one. Next is this blue one, or blueberry one. This, I guess, like galaxy one. I tried to make it galaxy, but I don't know how to make galaxy stuff. This one was actually a brown one, but blueberry on top, I think. Oh, sorry. This chocolate. This one I tried to put sprinkle on it, but it just fall off. So yeah. The next one is I don't know. No. It's triangle. Yeah, I forgot. So the first triangle is this galaxy one. Remember what I said? I don't know how to do galaxy. Oh, there. Next is I think like this one is like a blueberry with chocolate cake. So it's like a triangle cake. This watermelon. This other watermelon, which I tried to fix, but the colors got all mixed up. As you guys can see at the back, it's not good. This other thing, I don't know what this one is. I was going to make a cake like this one, but I just messed up in this. So yeah. The next one is my random stuff. Yeah, my random stuff. So I got this chocolate bar, I think. This ice cream. This watermelon, but it's not a good color, as you guys can see. This Pad Pad Zoo, or you can call it Pom Pom Sheep. Now my Ibu Peach. I have only 2 in the series. I don't know, but this bad Ibu Peach that I don't like. This one is a really dark color, but I feel like I like this one more better than that ugly one. And my last one is the squishies that I painted with puffy paint, my favorite of the most. So we got this orange one. Okay, that's enough. This yellow one, I guess. This purple one. Wow. I didn't know that. This blue one, which I was fighting this one a really long time. I thought this one was lost, and then it was actually stuck in the container. I didn't see it, or box. Yeah, and that is all my squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and make sure you give this video, and make sure you press on the bell to get notifications, I think.